What's up guys, today's video is going to be a soft glam look. Using some of my older products, I decided to just go through my makeup and kind of pull out some of the items that were on the older side, but still good of course. And I just pulled these out. I did check online to see if they're available, and some of them you can find online or even in stores. The only thing I wasn't able to find was the COVERGIRL foundation, but I do have a video on a newer version that is available in all drugstores by Maybelline. It's called the Soft Matte Dream Mousse foundation, and it's so much like the COVERGIRL that I use here. I do have a video on it. I'll link it below so you can watch it. So if you want to keep watching, just go right ahead and watch. So first I'm going to start off with L'Oreal's Miracle Blur as my primer. I've used this many times, so you guys have heard me talk about this. Great stuff, really fills in the pores. So then here goes the COVERGIRL Whipped Cream Foundation. And I'm using the shade 342, but again, this one, I just can't find it. So definitely want to pick up the Maybelline if you want like a whipped, like mousse type of foundation. This one, and as well as the Maybelline that I have a video of, which is linked below again. So go ahead and watch that. They're both a mousse consistency, and they're both medium to full coverage foundations. Now going in with NARS Light 2 Vanilla Concealer, and I'm going to highlight and conceal under my eyes with this, and then blend it out with a beauty blender. Now going in with Laura Mercier's Translucent Loose Setting Powder. I'm just gonna set and bake the concealer that I just put, and I'm also gonna set it on the wrinkles that I get at my forehead, and also just a straight line down the middle of my nose. And then here I'm just wiping down because I did put some powder on my eyelids to kind of set the concealer that I put on that. Now we're going in with the LORAC Pro 2 palette, oldie but such a goodie. I was so happy to pull this out again. And first going in with the color Light Brown and a Morphe brush in M535. I'm just going to use this color to put into my crease, pretty much all over crease area. You know how I like to do like a transitioning color, so I go everywhere with this pretty much. So if you see me here, I'm blending it in the crease, I'm blending it up in the crease, and a little bit below the crease. The only thing I left open is pretty much the lid, because I do go in with one more color to fill the lid area. So here I'm just blending away with that light brown color again, just really getting it to intensify the color to my liking. Now going in with that beautiful Nectar color, or Nectar, and a MAC brush in 217. That is the color that I'm going to put all over my lid, and I just shade the entire lid with this color. It's just such a beautiful, like, soft color. I really do enjoy these two together. I used to do this look a lot when I first got this palette years ago, so I just wanted to pull it out and bring that eye look again. I think it's just like a pretty nice soft glam. Now going in with the color Beige and Real Techniques shading brush. I just use this to highlight my brow bone. Now I'm going in with MAC Studio Fix Powder in NC25. This is what I'm going to use to set everywhere else in my face where I didn't put that MERCIER setting powder. So first I take that away, and then I'll go in with the MAC NC25 powder and again fill in the rest and set the rest of my face. Here I'm just taking that same two colors, the light brown and Nectar, and I'm just going to blend both of those and smoke it out on the bottom lash line. Here I'm going in with my NYX Tinted Brow Mascara in Brunette and just a regular spoolie brush. First I brush my brows through, and then I'll fill it in with the brush with the tinted mascara, and then I'll go in with the brush again just to brush it out so that they're not so intense. And then I do go over with my powder brush, no extra powder, just whatever's on it already, just to kind of bring it down a notch again so that they're not so tense, so bold. Now going in with a few mascaras. I'm going in with Sugar Rush by Tarte Lash Curler, and then I'm going to use L'Oreal Voluminous Carbon Black Mascara and Maybelline's Colossal and Mega Plush Mascaras. And those two Maybelline mascaras are both in the black color. Then going in with Chanel Soleil Tan de Chanel, I guess that's how you say it, and a Morphe brush in M439. You guys, this is the perfect combination. I swear to you, I didn't know what I was going to use to blend this Chanel Tan bronzer because I've never used it. This was actually my first time. So this is the only product that I didn't pull out, and it was old. It's an older product that's been in the market forever, but I just got it. And it's so good. And I just got a smaller brush just to put it to contour my nose, and then I'll go ahead and bronze up and contour my cheekbones and the temples. And you guys, I swear this Morphe brush is the best brush ever. Like, it was so easy, so effortless to put this Chanel bronzer on. I mean, it was amazing and I loved it. Here I'm just going to take my beauty blender and kind of blend it out a little bit on my nose and then kind of on the temples. Here I'm taking Benefit's blush in the color Rockateur. This one is another oldie but goodie. Smells so good too, by the way. I think all the Benefit box blushes smell really, really good. Then taking Laura Mercier highlight in 01, my favorite highlighting brush at the moment. So just take whatever brush you use and you like for your highlighting, and take it and highlight the tip or the top of your cheekbone, and also go upward, kind of like a quick little U from your cheek up until the top of your brow. And then I do take it and highlight my Cupid's bow and the tip of my nose, and then I'll take my powder brush and kind of just blend out a little bit so it's not too crazy. Here I'm taking two of my favorite old school MAC colors. It's the lip liner and the matte lipstick in the color Whirl. I love this color. So first I start off with the lip liner. Fill it in, or fill in my lips with the same lip liner, and then I'll go over it with the lipstick. And again, they're both in the color Whirl. And that's it, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hopefully it inspired you to kind of pull out some of your older stuff. Don't forget about them. And yeah, you guys, please don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.